Have you ever dreamt of locking eyes with a lion in the golden twilight? Or witnessing a herd of elephants traversing the savannah? The natural world offers a tapestry of wonders, and there's nothing quite like a safari to bring you face to face with its most incredible inhabitants. Join me, Radomir Pakic, as we journey to some of the most breathtaking safari destinations on Earth, where unforgettable wildlife encounters await in 2024. Our first stop takes us deep into the heart of Botswana, to the awe-inspiring Okavango Delta. This unique inland delta is one of the most pristine wilderness areas in the world, a place where the natural world thrives in its purest form. Here, the mighty Okavango River fans out across the Kalahari Desert, creating a labyrinthine oasis teeming with life. The river's journey from the Angolan highlands to the delta is a remarkable transformation, turning arid desert into a lush paradise. This is the domain of the African elephant, where families of these gentle giants roam freely, their footsteps echoing across the floodplains. Watching these majestic creatures in their natural habitat is a humbling experience as they move with a grace and intelligence that is truly awe-inspiring. We'll glide silently along the waterways in traditional Mokoro canoes, encountering hippos wallowing in the shallows and crocodiles basking in the sun. The Mokoro, a dugout canoe, offers a unique perspective, allowing us to get up close and personal with the delta's diverse wildlife. Bird life is abundant here, from the vibrant lilac-breasted roller to the majestic African fish eagle, their cries echoing through the papyrus reeds. The delta is a birdwatcher's paradise, home to over 400 species of birds, each adding to the symphony of sounds that fill the air. The Okavango Delta is a sanctuary, a testament to the raw beauty and untamed spirit of wild Africa. It is a place where nature reigns supreme, and the rhythms of life continue as they have for millennia. Here, we are reminded of the delicate balance that sustains this incredible ecosystem and the importance of preserving it for future generations. Our journey takes us south to South Africa's Sabi Sands, a private reserve renowned for its exceptional leopard sightings. This region is a haven for wildlife enthusiasts and photographers alike, offering a rare glimpse into the life of one of nature's most elusive predators. Here, the savanna stretches towards the horizon, painted in hues of gold and emerald. The landscape is a breathtaking mosaic of colors, where the early morning light dances across the grasslands, creating a serene and almost magical atmosphere. We'll rise before dawn, setting out with expert trackers to follow the elusive leopard, the ghost of the bush. These trackers possess an intimate knowledge of the land and its inhabitants, their skills honed over years of experience in the wild. Their camouflage is legendary, their movements silent and graceful. The leopard's ability to blend seamlessly into its surroundings is a testament to its evolutionary prowess, making it a master of stealth and surprise. With patience and a touch of luck, we may witness them stalking their prey or hear their haunting calls echoing through the night. The thrill of spotting a leopard in its natural habitat is an experience that stays with you forever, a moment of pure connection with the wild. The Sabi Sands is also home to an abundance of other wildlife, from lions, whose roars can be heard resonating across the plains, and cheetahs, the fastest land animals, to giraffes with their towering necks, and zebras with their striking stripes, all playing their part in this intricate ecosystem. Each species contributes to the delicate balance of life here, creating a dynamic and interdependent community that thrives in the heart of the African wilderness. Chapter 3. Tanzania's Serengeti. Witnessing the Great Migration. Prepare to be captivated by the raw power and spectacle of nature's greatest migration. Each year, over 2 million wildebeest, zebra and gazelle thunder across the plains of Tanzania's Serengeti National Park, following the ancient rhythm of the rains in search of fresh grazing. The air crackles with anticipation as we witness the thundering hooves and hear the symphony of snorts and bellows. Lions and crocodiles lie in wait, hoping to capitalize on the abundance of prey. The Serengeti is a place where life and death collide in a breathtaking ballet, a testament to the enduring power of the natural world. Chapter 4. Zambia's South Luangwa National Park, where wildness reigns. Nestled in the heart of Africa, this park is a sanctuary where nature thrives in its most untamed form. Venture off the beaten path to Zambia's South Luangwa National Park, a hidden gem renowned for its exceptional walking safaris. These safaris offer a unique, immersive experience, allowing visitors to connect deeply with the environment. Unlike traditional vehicle safaris, walking safaris bring you face to face with the raw beauty and intricate details of the wilderness. Here, the Luangwa River carves its way through the landscape, creating a haven for an astonishing array of wildlife. The river's meandering path supports a rich ecosystem, attracting animals from miles around. Hippos wallow in its waters, while crocodiles bask on its banks, and elephants come to drink and play. We'll tread carefully through the bush, accompanied by experienced guides, our senses heightened as we listen for the rustle of leaves or the snap of a twig. Every sound and movement tells a story, from the distant call of a bird to the subtle signs of a predator on the prowl. The guide's knowledge and keen eyes help us uncover the secrets of the bush. South Luangwa is home to the highest concentration of leopards in Africa, and we may be fortunate enough to witness their nocturnal hunts. These elusive cats are masters of stealth, their spotted coats blending seamlessly with the dappled moonlight. Observing a leopard in its natural habitat is a rare and thrilling experience. The park is also a haven for wild dogs, endangered creatures known for their intelligence and social bonds. These highly social animals live in packs, working together to hunt and care for their young. Watching a pack of wild dogs in action is a testament to the strength and unity of nature's communities. South Luangwa's commitment to conservation ensures that these incredible species continue to thrive in their natural habitat. Chapter 5. Borneo's Danum Valley, into the realm of the orangutan. Our final destination takes us to the heart of Borneo's rainforest, to the Danum Valley Conservation Area. Here, towering trees form a verdant canopy, home to a dazzling array of primates, including the critically endangered orangutan. We'll trek through the dense jungle, our eyes peeled for a glimpse of these enigmatic creatures as they swing effortlessly through the branches. The rainforest is alive with the sounds of insects and birds, a symphony of life that underscores the importance of protecting this fragile ecosystem. From pygmy elephants to clouded leopards, the Danum Valley is a testament to the biodiversity of Borneo's rainforests. Outro. Until our next adventure. As the sun sets on our safari adventure, I hope you've been inspired by the incredible diversity and resilience of our planet's wildlife. Which destination sparked your wanderlust? Share your thoughts in the comments below and tell us about your own unforgettable wildlife encounters. If you're hungry for more adventure, be sure to check out my other videos where we'll continue to explore the wonders of the natural world. Thanks for joining me on this safari adventure, and until next time, stay wild and keep exploring.